It is important to ensure your emergency contact is up to date. To view this information, log into your employee portal. Once you've logged in, click the Personal tab, then select Emergency Contacts. You will see all entries here. To add someone, click on Add Contact. Then complete all necessary information. Please note that the contact method and the info entered need to match. For example, if you select phone number, enter their phone number here. Then add contact. This information will appear here and copy over into our system. If you want to remove someone, click on Remove. They will immediately be deleted. To save any changes you have made, click on Save. If your current emergency contact's information has changed, click on their name. You can then update any contact information here. Then select Update Contact. Again, you will need to click Save.